Welcome to the Holler, everybody. As you can see, we're not in our typical spot for our videos. One of our other favorite hobbies besides barbecuing is camping. So in preparation for the upcoming camping season, we wanted to make a quick video at one of our favorite state park campgrounds here in eastern Indiana. So today we are at Mounds State Park. It is in Anderson, Indiana, which again is on the eastern side, east central side of Indiana. It was established in 1930, and there are 76 sites total. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick drive around of the campground showing each site so that if you were to come here in the future, you can pick one of your favorite sites based on this video. So kind of a pick your site adventure, but we're going to go ahead and get in the car and get started. So we are at the entrance to the campground. As you can see, there is a camp store and registration in front of us here. There's also some pit toilets off to the left with additional parking if you have any visitors, as well as some picnic areas off to our left and some youth tents. Trail 6 starts right off to the right, and then there is a dump station off to our left. Again, a little bit of a hill to get up here, but otherwise the campground starts right up this hill. We're going to start with the outer loop, and just for reference, it is March 1st, so certainly not going to be very busy today. All of the sites that we are going to show are electric. So as you can see, there is the park sign straight ahead where we opened. Now we're going to start with the site tours. This is site 1. The campground host site is next, site 2. They do sell firewood as well. Up here is site 3. And then site 4 also connects to trail 6, so easy access from site 4 to trail 6. Site 5. Site 6, site 7, site 8, site 9. There is a water fill station coming up here on the right, and then trail 4 starts off to the right there as well, right behind site 10. Here's site 11 and site 12 coming up. And the main wash station is off to our left as well, the main restrooms. Site 13. Each site has a picnic table as well as a fire ring. There's site 14. Site 15 and 16. Site 17 is coming up here. Site 18. I'm going to stop here for a second. One interesting thing about this campground is there is a small regional airport right in the backyard of it. So certainly fun to come and watch the planes fly in. We're going to continue. Site 19. And finishing this section of the loop, site 20. And then there is a playground right next to site 20, as well as some pit toilets. Just past the pit toilets, we are coming up on site 69. And site 70. One of the few campers here on March 1st is in Site 71, Site 72, and 73. Here is Site 74, and Site 75, and then 76, and then wrapping things up, we have Site 77 right by the entrance over here. So we are back by the entrance in the campground host site. We're going to go through the outer loop once more, filming the sites on the left-hand side. We have Site 38 coming up here first. And yeah, some of these sites in the middle are pull-through sites. Not as many sites on the left-hand side of this outer loop. We have 53 here. $54, followed by 55, and then one of the other campers here is in sight. Bear with us just a second. As you can see, there's the main wash house as well, currently closed for the season. Site 56 and 57, and 58. Coming up here is 59. As you can see, plenty of big trees in this campground as well, so at least in the afternoon there will be plenty of shade. There's 47, but we should be able to get a little bit better view of that in our next loop. There is 46. Coming up here is 30. Along with 31, and I believe that's 32, but it doesn't look like it has the sticker on it. We can confirm when we edit the video. Here is 28, and a bottle of ketchup. Coming up here is 27, 26 is next, and 25, 24, and Site 23. And then it looks like there is one more. We have 22 right here by that main entrance sign. Oh, 21 as well, my bad. There is one more even closer to the main entrance sign. And we are back where we started. So now we're going to go through the next largest loop here, closest to the bathhouse. These are all one-way roads. These sites over here, or at least most of them, don't look like they're pull through. This is Site 52, followed by 51. These ones are pretty open, not a ton of shade. And 50, kind of a big concrete pad on that one. Here comes the wash house. You didn't have to. Okay, and just past the wash house, we have 48. Again, pretty large concrete pad for that one. And 47. And now we've connected with that main loop again. So we are going to go back to the sign and start anew. So back at the campground host sites, we are going to take the first immediate left here. And we have Site 38, that is a pull-through site, followed by Site 39. Again, in this middle section, not a ton of shade, not a ton of trees overall. We have Site 40. And 41. followed by 42. Nice thing about this section is it is very open. Plenty of room. 43 as well. You can see the wash house in the background, followed by 44 and 45. So we are back at the entrance sign, and we're going to film the smallest little loop here, the left-hand side this time. First we have site 37, followed by site 36. I do not believe any of these are pull-through, but we will confirm. Site 35 is next, and 34. Some of these sites have a few more trees than others, so a little more shade provided. There is 33 and 32. Followed by 31 and 30. So we're entering the backside section of this campground. These are very close to the airport themselves. Certainly plenty of shade back here, as you can see, kind of a wooded area back here. This is also a one-way street, one-way road, I should say. We have Trail 5 coming up here. This is the main outer loop trail at Mounds State Park. The first campsite over here is 64 on the right-hand side, and 65. Next we have 66 and 67, and then 68. But as you can see, there is just an incredible view of the airport itself. So doing this loop one more time, we're going to get the campsites on the left-hand side. As you can see, again, plenty of trees back here. The first site on the left-hand side is site number 63. And I believe this one is 62, but we will confirm. Yeah, 62 and 61. And the last site in this section is site number 60. Now we are out here at the youth tent area. As you can see, very open section for any summer camps or anything like that, school trips, whatever it may be. Plenty of picnic tables. And then we have bigger fire rings over here, anticipating larger crowds. I believe that is a trailhead over there underneath that covering. So this is another option, depending on the quantity of people you're coming to camp with. So we're going to conclude our video here at the camp store. As you can see, I have a couple rocking chairs as well as a table, and then a picnic table over to my left as well. But yeah, like I said, not our typical kind of video, but stay tuned this summer for more campground videos, as well as our continued barbecue videos as normal. Even though we're not cooking in this current video, just keep in mind whoever eats the most gets the most. So dig in.